We are back in 1975 today for this. It's 694 with some nice original instructions. 694, and it's the transport truck or container lorry if you prefer. You see the back of the instructions, that's what's on there. Anyway, let's get building them. You've got this lorry part which has got the little wheels already attached. We've got to get one of these, spin it round, put that there, and we're going to place it on top of this, like that, and then put a 2x4 plate next to it. Let's squash that down. Here it goes. And also we've got to get 1, 2 bricks off the end here. Right, I've already got the stickers on these, so I don't want to break up the thing, so it's going to be a slightly weird build. So what we're going to do is just put this straight on, like that. So we've all got the back of this built like that, there it is. I'm just going to put that down to one side and do the cab a bit more. So we have 2x4 plate sticking off there, a 2x4 brick, and a 1x2 plate there, which has 2 of these nice solid studded round bricks. You've got the windscreen with the filled-in back. We've got 2 trans 1x1 bricks in there. And we've got a 1x4 brick in blue. That's correct. And what else do we need? We need a cab roof, don't we? It's this. Okay, we've got a crane grower. Nice condition, that one. Very shiny. Oh. Smooth, no, don't want that one. There's just smooth, plain, single tyres there. Got a 2x4 plate in there, and now we've got the dually ones in there. So there we are, that's the cab. I've got to do some work on this now. So we've got to have 3 of these 1x4 bricks on there. And then we've got these nice doors. Oh, it's supposed to be 3 of those, not 2. Knock the doors out while we're trying to get rid of dog hairs. Still won't go, thank you. Right. Yeah, so transport truck, if you prefer. Or cargo lorry. So you do a random 1x2 brick in there, I don't know why that's there. Unless it's going to go on the top here. I wonder if that's why it's there. Let's put this plate on the back. And a roof like that. There it goes. Click you on there, they're all on there. And then kind of, I think it's out there, I think. Yep, looks about right. So attach you onto there. Now I don't see on the instructions this piece, but let's see if we can find the other photos from the back. We can't, but I'm going to assume that is going to go in there. Because that doesn't look quite right, does it? That low down. Unless I just put it anyway. I'm going to put that in anyway, just to finish it off. Could have checked the inventory before, couldn't I? But I'm sure that's probably what I've done in the past anyway, even if it's not supposed to be there. So that's it done then. As I say, it's the container lorry or transport truck from 1975, and it's 694. There's the instructions to prove it. Right, see you again soon.